Today, we have flown all the way from London to Venice, Italy, and we've come to meet the Italian ateliers, our good friends, Sarto, manufacturers of the finest bikes the industry has to offer. We've come here to catch up with the owners, have a factory tour. Stay tuned, let's get to it.
Okay, and this is what we do. Is my factory. The last 25 years was living here. Also upstairs there was my flat.
Yeah, really?
I lived here a few years.
Yeah.
And then, yes, this is what I do daily.
Yeah, build the best bikes in the world.
We hope. We try to. I cannot say it.
Well, it's an amazing process to see.
The first job is making the tubes, because we used to buy the tubes from others. This is a plotter where we cut the carbon fibers. After they cut, they put all the layers together. There is the unidirection, then there are the crossed.
Okay.
It's crossed because the unidirection contrasts the torsion.
Yeah.
This one is only one way.
Yeah.
Contrasts the flexibility.
Yeah.
Obviously, there is the resin also that have to absorb the vibrations and the reinforcement around the bottom bracket area.
Right, okay, fine, okay.
When we have a strong rider, we have to reinforce this area.
Yeah. So
Reinforce heavier, obviously, but it's
more
definitely
powerful.
better for him.
Better power delivery,
Yeah.
less bottom bracket deflection.
This is the tri-composite. The filaments are painted and then they weave together.
Yes.
Originally, this carbon fiber was used for the helmets because disappear the vibration,
Yes.
the shocks.
Yes.
I've seen when I went to the supplier, he showed me the first time the helmets, it jumped in the ground.
Yeah.
Nothing happened because disappeared the vibration. The second is static because it's unique,
Okay. Yes.
and the third is also is more resistance when you fell down.
Okay, so it's actually stronger.
Yes.
Okay.
It's stronger.
And it's beautiful, bellissimo. And this is why most people buy it from us.
Yes. No, but we sell many.
Yes. It's a beautiful aesthetic.
It's unique also in the market. There are not so many.
Yeah.
No one that produce.
And carbon fiber can't be reused, right?
Yes.
Yes?
They are starting. Yes.
Oh, really?
Reuse for obviously not.
Not for bicycles.
Structural, yes.
Yeah.
But for bottles and what else.
Okay. This green sheet, that's just a sheet of carbon fiber.
Yeah.
What type of carbon fiber is it, or where is it from?
The carbon fiber is Japanese.
It's Japanese.
This is the Toray.
It's Toray carbon fiber.
They buy, our Italian supplier buy from Toray the filament.
Yes.
And then they weave and they put their own resin.
So it's custom carbon,
Yes.
basically. Can you make me a reverse inline to bring the saddle further forward? For bike fitting?
Reverse means?
Yeah, exactly. No, I know it looks hideous.
It's minus 18 degrees.
Okay, right, don't lock me in here then. So this is where the tubes are basically cured, they're cooled down, it's minus 18 degrees in here. It's freezing. All right, let's get out.
Yes. It's very. This is the lamination process that we make. We put in the fridge when we cut, just because we needed to cannot stay outside.
Yes, okay.
We take the parts and we put in the molds.
This is how a seat post is made.
You see, they protect the skin with a cream.
Okay.
Yes, because with the glaives.
Because it's carcinogenic, isn't it, carbon fiber? So the plastic bag sticking out the end is basically a bladder that's put inside the carbon fiber and inflated under pressure, which compacts all the layers together and forces the epoxy resin out. It means that you basically get a very strong, solid structure, and that's where you get the ride characteristics and the strength and the rigidity for the frame set. There's your finished product.
Yes. Out from the mold. This is
a
solid part.
Then you cut this out. And
Yes. We have to clean. You see how glossy,
how shiny it is.
Yes, shiny.
It's very thin as well, isn't it?
is less than 1 millimeter.
Yeah. Wow.
This one is the reinforced part. So
Really?
there is more, more
see.
material here.
Well, the nice thing here is that quite often when you cut into certain frames, we won't mention any names because it'll be unfair on look, that you get deviations in the thickness of the walls, whereas with this, it's absolutely perfect. You know, it's the same thickness all the way around, apart from on this side, which is where it's been actively reinforced to deliver more stiffness. Very cool. So this is a tube set that's just come out of the molds. It's obviously a bit rough because it needs to be finished. But this is essentially what it looks like when it comes out of the autoclave. Very, very light. And is that him finishing them over there?
Yeah.
So this is the next process, right?
The next process is from this to there.
This is my customer. Who's this?
You are lucky because it's your frame.
Okay,
yes,
so
you confirmed recently, so I decided to.
Nice.
Yes, just for the video.
So this is a bike that's being built for us at the moment.
We fix the jig, no?
Yeah.
Just following the frame geometry, and then yes, we cut the tubes, we glue the tubes, and then we go into the wrapping process.
Yeah. This is a Rasso by the looks of it, which we can adjust. This is where the frame is custom made specifically for the rider. So all of the angles are adjusted specifically for the rider's needs and limitations. So we can alter the head tube length and the head tube angle. We can adjust the way that the bike actually rides. It's bonded in place with epoxy resin.
Yes.
Yeah. We've been a reseller of Sarto for 5 years now, 6 years. We've designed new models together. We've got a new collaboration, which is the new Sarto disc. So this is a frame draft that's been drawn up and authorized and vetted by both us, Enrico, and the customer. We came to using the numbers from one of our bike fitting sessions. So we have the customer come in, they can do a bike fit on the jig that you've seen in previous videos. We send those numbers over to Italy, and Enrico, who's a very competent draftsman, expert draftsman, designs the frame for us. And then once that's authorized and the customer is happy with it, then that's where we go into the production of the frame. Look at that.
You see?
Bellissimo.
A few minutes is done.
Incredible. This is an alignment table. So what you do is they put the bottom bracket in here, and then they check the frame to make sure it's completely straight to less than 1 millimeter's tolerance.
So we can show you the second passage of wrapping.
Second passes. Yeah. Okay.
The first was done and sanded. Yes.
Buongiorno.
My father.
Buongiorno. Nice to meet you.
94 is still driving.
Brilliant. Sarto is your surname, right?
Yes.
And it means tailor in Italian.
Destiny.
Yes, destiny.
The vacuum allowed to help the pressure to go inside.
Yeah.
And then also help the resin to go everywhere.
Yeah. One of the things that you're trying to avoid with carbon tube construction is you don't want voids in between the carbon layers, because that creates an imperfection, it creates a weakness, and gives rise to potential failures and cracks. So what we've got going on here is molds are being closed up. There's a head tube in that one, and after it's all closed up, they put it in a vacuum bag, and they're all about to go into the colossal pressure cooker that is the autoclave.
Now there is the vacuum system that is working. The vacuum works at less than 1 bar, so it's not much, 1 bar.
No.
Inside the pressure of the autoclave is 7.5.
That's quite a lot.
Yeah. But with the high pressure system that used in Far East, for example, they reach 15 bars more. But this one is what is requested from the carbon supplier to have the perfect balance. She's starting. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What does a machine like this cost?
Well, more than 100,000.
100,000 euro pressure cooker. So if you start from start to finish, How many hours does it take to fabricate a Sarto frame? How long does it take to build one, roughly?
Is 60.
60 hours goes into a Sarto
Yeah,
frame.
with the paint.
Wow. So there you go.
Here is another point where we clean.
Okay.
Yes, we sand, the sanding process. Hey, a wheelchair.
No!
Completely custom sizing. Is unique in the world. The only one custom sizing.
Can we touch that?
Yes.
So we were just talking about forged carbon fiber. That is forged again, isn't it?
Yes, this is in the middle process.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
first passage of resin. You see,
Yeah.
we need also to sand
So this is the first pass. There are 2 or 3?
3.
3 passes.
Three.
So these are colors that are usually used in the automotive industry.
Yeah, okay.
So super high quality, anti-scratch, super resistant, etc.
So this is paint booth.
It's not only a matter of carbon fibers, but resins and all the materials that are used for coatings before, during, and after the paint are
Smells brilliant.
very good as well. So this will be, I think, white
Yeah.
or any color,
Right, okay.
and the frame will remain raw carbon fiber.
Nice.
There's a different guns for painting, and the water will follow on the back to clean the wall from all the paints and the colors.
So you can see behind us the sheer variety that can be achieved from a custom frame. So this is a marble raso,
Yeah.
which is a newer aesthetic.
Yes.
Absolutely beautiful.
In this case, the last layer is the marble effect.
Yes.
And we modify by hands
Yeah.
the last lamination, but it's very thin.
Yeah.
So, and also, yes, I've seen that is beautiful, not just to show you that this carbon fiber is
Yeah.
particular, but is an effect that we create by hands.
And what does a frame like this weigh for our viewers at home?
It is around 900.
900 grams for
Yes.
a tailor-made, full custom frame that you can choose whatever you want. Thank you very much for having us here, Enrico. You can also come here as a customer, yes?
Yes.
Yes, so if you are from Italy and you'd like to come and see it, drop them an email. We'll put a link in the description below. Thank you for watching, bye-bye now.